Can an emoji ever amount to securities fraud? The answer turns out to be possibly, but you probably want a bit more context for that. But yeah, this is a sort of follow-up to, remember I did the video about a thumbs up emoji being regarded as accepting a contract on an email, and somebody had to buy a lot of land for $86,000. Well, this is sort of related. So to give you some background, a gentleman was involved in the world of finance, investing and buying stock and things. And he bought a lot of stock in Bed, Bath and Beyond. And apparently the stock started to tank. So he was getting ready to pump and dump, or so the allegation goes. But rumours about this stock were sort of, floating around in the financial circles. And he posted a tweet, because somebody was commenting saying, lots of people commenting saying, you are promoting this stock and it's all tanking. What's going on? What's the real picture? So he posts a tweet that says, at least her cart is full, apparently referring to somebody who had invested heavily in these stocks. But then this emoji. And now that's gone to court. And this is a strikeout application because people have sued him. And what they've said is that emoji, it's called the full moon emoji. And in financial circles, it's been understood to mean stock is going up. So his tweet was effectively saying the stock is going up, which he knew to be a lie. And therefore, that encourages people to hold on to their stock for longer, which benefits him. I think he's alleged to have made $86 million out of this. So it's quite serious. But they said that was him effectively lying about stock price. And that's actionable. He applied to strike out that, saying, well, this is nonsense. An emoji could never mean that. They read too much into it. The court's gone into quite a lot of detail, actually, about, the ambiguity of language and signals and, body language and all sorts of things. It's really, really interesting. But ultimately what they've said is, well, no, this is a triable issue. We're not saying this is definitely how it should have been interpreted, but we're not going to strike it out at this stage. So there you go. So again, hope you found that interesting. If you did, consider clicking the like button and possibly even subscribing. Thumbs up. Full moon emoji.